What's up, guys? This is Fantasia here, and I thought I'd just show you guys another project I'm working on. It's a turn-based action RPG, and go ahead and open that up. So as you see here, we start in the field, and I just went into battle, and I found an enemy. So it's a turn-based, which means basically you attack, the enemy attacks, and then it also is mainly text-based, meaning that most of everything that happens in the battle happens within this text box here. Okay, so you can see Master Ball. This guy wants to fight. So then it brings up this main menu where you have attack, defend, magic, and run right now. So I don't have anything for magic or defend, and you can't run away. So the only thing you can do is attack. So I'm going to hit A, and it brings up this arrow, and usually you can select the enemy. So I'm going to go ahead and hit A, and then it'll tell you took 1 damage, and then he attacks, and then it tells you that you took 2 damage. Go ahead and attack him again, and then he gets defeated, and then it takes you back to the main overworld. And then wow, I'm getting a lot of enemies. That's odd. Let me restart it. It's totally random, so I'm using the random number generator. Let me bring this debug menu up here so you can kind of see. This debug window here basically shows me all of the text. It's basically the text version of what's happening in the game here. So you can see it says battle started because it's going into a battle scene. Okay, so it says Mario Gangs wants to fight. So it's got basically the enemies in this is collected in aggregates, basically meaning that you can have groups of enemies, and then the group is referred to as the first enemy in the aggregate. So basically, it's Mario's gang because he's the first one. But you've got Mario, and then you've got a Master Ball, and then up here in the window you've got what's happening here, so enemy list and all that. So go ahead and we can select which enemy we want to attack. I'm gonna go ahead and attack Master Ball because he's harder to defeat than Mario. He's got a higher defense, and basically every enemy in the game does have a defense assigned to it, and so Master Ball is gonna attack me now, and then Mario's gonna attack me. And basically, I didn't take any damage because Mario's so weak that my defense basically blocked his attack. Okay, so I'm gonna attack Master Ball again, and Master Ball gets defeated. Okay, and so Mario's gonna attack me, and he's gonna do no damage basically. And I'm gonna attack Mario, and Mario's gonna be defeated, and his whole gang is defeated, and so he goes back into the thing, and then I just wander around in the overworld till I get caught again by more enemies. Oh, now we've got 3 Sonics that wants to fight me. Okay, so go ahead and attack any one of these because it doesn't matter, they're all the same. Sonic attacks, and I haven't worked out how I can differentiate which enemy is attacking here, but I'm just gonna, I guess, pick a name, an identifier, and then have the enemy decide which enemy is attacking based on the identifier. Okay, so that Sonic disappears, and I cannot die at this point. I haven't put in any code basically saying that you died, so basically I can just keep going on, even though you can see my HP getting deducted in the right hand side. It'll just go negative, and I can just keep going. Let's attack him. And defeat him. So the way enemy encounters work in this game is random enemy encounters. So basically they just show up based on a wow, this is the enemies are showing rather frequently. Basically every there's a clock that dictates basically a random number counter, and I've assigned a percentage here So when you're on the grass, there's a 14% chance that an enemy is going to pop up. Okay, um, so basically that's a very low number, and that's why I'm surprised that the enemies are popping up as often as they are in the game. Is that it's only supposed to be a 14% chance of enemy occurrence happening. But the cool thing is that I've come up with also um, battle scenes which are based on where you fight. So you've got water here. So if I go over here, it'll take me to the water enemies. Well, not water enemies, but a water environment. It's the same enemies. It's just different, a different environment. So I might want to come up with more enemies that attack. Oh, and you can see that just now where it said Sonic runs around carelessly, there is a very small percent chance of that the enemy will not attack me, and it just goofs off. So here's enemy attack percentage, 92%. But then there's an 8% chance that the enemy is just going to just goof off and just and do some random something that's not attacking me. So I thought I'd put that in there. Basically, it's like a miss in games like Earthbound, where the enemy just does something really quirky, like he laughs at you or something. So I put that in the game. I thought that would be kind of fun. It kind of adds an enemy of element of luck in the game. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. Let's see what else. So let's go down here. Okay, yeah. So my attack is 4, my defense is 2, but just by changing these numbers, I can change attributes in the game. So like I can kill Master Ball like with one hit if I wanted to. So like if I quit the game, let's quit the game and put something like 8. That'd basically kill anything because the HP of all these enemies is very low. So go ahead and restart the game and find some enemies. Okay, I found one. Not the right one, but that's okay. I can still demonstrate. So attack, Sonic 6 damage, see now? And so now he's defeated. And the reason it's not 8 is because the formula of how much damage I actually do to the enemy is really a simple equation. It's attack minus defense. So my attack power is getting subtracted, or is getting subtracted by the defense of the enemy. So basically, they don't take as much damage if they have a high defense. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm working on now. It's very, I want it to be kind of a basic RPG where I have magic spells and all that. Matter of fact, I could have sworn I put in some spells. I'm not sure. Maybe I didn't. Let me hit M. Nope, it's not doing anything. Okay, so maybe I took that code out. But yeah, I had fire, ice, and all of that. But that's kind of what I got going on. So if you're really interested to see how the game progresses, put some comments below. Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my tutorials on how to do some of this cool stuff in your game. And hopefully I'm going to put up a tutorial on how to get a basic RPG structure going. So you guys can kind of play around with that. But other than that, thanks for watching my demo, guys. It's always a pleasure. See you guys later.